Welcome to the second session of Mathematics Class 4. In this session, we will be discussing about a small topic from the topic Wheel of Time, that is conversion of minutes to seconds and seconds to minutes. So, this is an important session from this chapter. So, for this session, we need to keep in mind a small fact that 1 minute is 60 seconds. This will help you throughout this class. Okay. So, we are going to convert what? Seconds to minutes and minutes to seconds. Okay. So, we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. That means 2 minutes is what? 2 times 60, twice 60. That is 120 seconds, isn't it? Now, 3 minutes will be 3 into 60. 4 minutes is 4 into 60, like that. Okay. So, that means we need to know the multiplication table of 60 to do this problem easily. Okay. So, if you know the table of 60, you will be able to do this problem very easily. So, we have the table of 60 here. So, there is an easy method to find this table, that is, see, we all know the multiplication table of 6, isn't it? We have studied in 3rd standard and all the multiplication table of 6. So, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, we know. So, 60 into 1 will be 60, 60 into 2 will be 120. That is, if we write the multiplication table of 6 and if we add 1 0 to the right side, you will get the table of 60. Okay? That is the easy method. So, 60 into 1 is 60, 60 into 2 is 120, like that. So, let us see how can we convert minutes to seconds and seconds to minute. Okay. First, we are going to convert seconds to minutes. Okay. That is, if the time is given in seconds, how can we convert it into minutes? So, let us take an example. We will start with small example. Okay. We have 60 seconds. We have 60 seconds. And we know that it is 1 minute, isn't it? Now, I am going to take the next multiple of 60, that is 120. If it is 120 seconds, from the table of 60, we have 60 into 2 is 120. That means 120 seconds will be equal to what? 2 minutes. Let us take the next table of 60, that is 180. If it is 180 seconds, we have 60 into 3 is 180. So, 180 seconds will be what? 3 minutes. So, when it is a multiple of 60, it is easy to find the minutes. Okay. Now, what if it is not a multiple of 60? That means other than a multiple of 60 we are going to take. Let us take another example. It is 80 seconds. We are going to convert 80 seconds into minutes. Okay. For that, what we need? In 80 seconds, we need to find how many minutes and how many seconds are there. We can see that 80 seconds is not a multiple of 60. So, this 80 seconds cannot be expressed in minutes only, but there will be minutes and some seconds remaining also. Okay, let us discuss. So, 80 seconds. So, easy method, see, 80 seconds, in 80 seconds we need to find how many 60s are there. So, I am going to subtract 160 from this 80. Let us subtract 160. So, if I am subtracting 60, it means I am subtracting what? 1 minute. Okay. So, 80 minus 60 is 20. Okay. That means in 80 we have 1 minute and 20 seconds. This is one method. If it is 100 seconds, if you want to find 100 seconds is how many minutes and seconds, what we will do, we will just subtract 160 from this 100. Let us subtract 160. That means we are subtracting 1 minute. Okay. So 100 minus 60 is what? 40. That means in 100 seconds we have 1 minute and 40 seconds. This is one method. That is, if you have small numbers and all, it is easy to subtract 60 and just find the remaining seconds and all. But if it is a larger number, this subtraction is not possible because we will need to subtract 60 again and again. Okay. That is, for example, if we want to find how many seconds are there in 350, as our first method, we will subtract 60, then you will get one number. Again, this will be what? More than 60. So we will have to subtract again this 60 from this 290. It goes on like this. Okay. And in smaller classes, you have also studied that repeated subtraction. Instead of repeated subtraction, we can do what? Division, isn't it? That means in order to find how many 60s are there in 350, we can just divide 350 by 60. Okay? Yes. So, we are going to divide what? By 60. So, if I am taking an example, 100. Okay. So, in order to find how many 60s are there in 100, I am going to divide this 100 by 60. Now, the multiplication table of 60 will help you. How many 60s are there in 100? We have 1 60s are 60, 2 60s are 120. So, 2 60s are 120, we cannot write here because 120 is greater than 100. So, we will write 1 60s are 60. And what is the next step? Just subtract. 100 minus 60 is what? 40. That means the number in the quotient will give you the minutes and the remainder will give you seconds. That is, 100 seconds can be written as what? 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute and 40 seconds. This is the correct method. So, I will tell you, if you want to convert seconds to minutes, just divide those seconds by what? 60. Okay? See, we have a question here. The teacher held a contest of writing the numbers from 1 to 100. The names of firstest 6 and their times in seconds are given below. Write these in minutes and seconds. So, see, first one, Ajayan, he wrote the numbers from 1 to 100 in 95 seconds. You have to write what? It in terms of minutes and seconds. So, 95 seconds will make 1 minute and 35 seconds. How? 95 is divided by 60. So, 95 is divided by 60. And we have 160 in 95. 160 is a 60. While subtracting, you will get 35. That means 95 seconds is also equal to what? 1 minute and 35 seconds. Okay. That is written here, 1 minute 35 seconds. Now 100 seconds we told earlier, it is 1 minute and 40 seconds. Now 110 seconds. 110 seconds will be what? Just divide this number by 60. Again you will have 160 in 110. That is 160 is 60. After subtracting, you will get what? 50. So, 110 seconds can also be written as what? 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay. So, this is about converting seconds to minutes. Next, we have conversion from minutes to seconds. Okay. From minutes to seconds. Minutes to seconds. For that, just start with a small example. We have 1 minute equal to what? 60 seconds. Now 2 minutes will be what? 1 minute is 60 seconds. 2 minute means 1 minute plus 1 minute, that is 60 plus 60 or 2 into 60. 2 into 60 will make 120 seconds. Now if it is 3 minutes, it will be 3 into 60, 180 seconds, etc. That means if you want to convert minutes to seconds, what you have to do? Just multiply by 60. Okay? If you want to convert seconds to minutes, you will divide by 60, and if you want to convert minutes to seconds, you have to multiply by 60. Let's go for the problem. Here we have 2 minutes and 5 seconds. We need to find how many seconds it is. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Okay. Here 5 seconds means it is already in seconds, so don't bother about that. We'll just convert this 2 minutes into what? Seconds. Okay. And from the table we will get 2 minutes is what? 2 into 60, that is 120. So instead of 2 minutes we will write what? 120 seconds, and here we have 5 seconds. So in total how many seconds we have? 120 plus 5, that is 125 seconds. Okay. So here 2 minutes 5 seconds is 125 seconds. Now 1 minute 45 seconds. Let's convert 1 minute into seconds, that is 60. So our answer will be what? 60 seconds plus 45 seconds, that is 105 seconds. At last we have 2 minutes. Easy, no? 2 minutes is what? 2 into 60, 120 seconds. Okay. So this is about conversion. So I'll remind one point. What is that? In order to convert seconds to minutes, we have to divide by 60, and if you want to convert minutes to seconds, we have to multiply by 60. Hope this class was very useful to you. Thank you for listening. Bye.